Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here. You can see I have two pictures in front of me, a plate with a sandwich and a plate with sandwich and fries. Now, would you believe it if I told you that the fries were AI generated? Look at how good the lighting is, the shadow, everything matches the rest of the plate. But originally is actually the photo on the left. There was no fries. So I'm now going to teach you how to add the fries. First, I'm going to right click on the photo without the fries, open with Adobe Photoshop. Okay, once you have the photo open, you're going to use the select tool, rectangular select tool, and you're going to select an area approximately where you think the fries are going to be. And then you're just going to type in large French fries. Generate. And now you can see you have three variations. 1, 2, 3. All right. If you don't like these variations and you want more, you can simply click generate again. So maybe put in a lot of large French fries. Generate. All right. So now you have 6 variations. 6 variations. Just pick the one you want and then you just go to File, Export, Quick Export as PNG, put it in the same folder that I got it from, French fries with sandwiches. And then you can go back to File Explorer and just open it up. And this is the picture that we just generated. All right, all the French fries here are fake. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.